In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Typeform results. Whether you're interested in offering access to a beautifully formatted report, sending responses to others, or automating your sharing workflows, I've got you covered. We'll begin with a straightforward method to share a beautiful, interactive report. Typeform offers a really stylish option to share your results in the form of a responses report. Let's dive into how you can achieve that. First, you'll need to open your form from your workspace. Once you have it open, navigate to the Results panel, and from there, you'll want to click on the Summary tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to generate a report. Clicking this will open up the preview screen for your report. Now that you've got the report preview in front of you, it's time to customize it to suit your needs. You have the flexibility to use the Show Waj Hide question feature. This allows you to include only specific questions you're interested in sharing. This way, you can focus your report on the most relevant data. Additionally, if your form included open-ended questions like short text entries, email fields, or even video responses, you can toggle on Show Open-Ended Answers to make sure these responses are visible in your report. To make your report visually appealing, you can apply a theme that aligns with your brand or the message you want to convey. You might also want to add a cover image. It's recommended to use an image with 1920 by 500 pixels for the best look. And don't forget about the logo. You can upload one that's up to 2 megabytes in size, enhancing the professional appearance of your report. One critical aspect of sharing your report is its visibility settings. This is where the access toggle comes into play. You have the option to enable or disable the link, which gives you control over who can access the report. Essentially, when you disable the link, you restrict public access, making the report invisible to those without explicit access. After you've tailored your report to your liking and set its visibility, you're ready to share it. All you need to do is click Copy to get the URL, then share that generated URL with your intended audience. A useful tip here is that anyone with this link will be able to view the report, even from their mobile devices, ensuring ease of access and flexibility. And here's an extra tip. If your Typeform account uses a custom domain, the report link will reflect that domain, which can add a nice personal touch or branding element to your shared content. Making sure your results are perfectly packaged and ready for your audience can help communicate your findings impressively and efficiently. Happy sharing!